Hey there, everybody. It's me, Drake, and Sophea. And today is a very special day. It's Cricket Day. Yes, it's Cricket Day. They are known as Jongrat in Cambodia. We went to the Khmer market today up in Cambodia town in Lowell. So these are grasshoppers. They're what? Gatto. But we're going to call them Jongrat because I can't pronounce the other one. But apparently Jongrat are crickets and Jongro. Gatto.
Yeah,
Gatto are grasshoppers. I'm going to flip this around. Well, you can kind of see she's preparing some of the stuff we need here. I'm going to flip it around. So she's already prepared the chilies. And is that lemongrass? What is this?
lemongrass.
Lemongrass and some peppers, chives, spring onions, and orange leaves.
Yes.
And this is garlic here. And of course, these are the stars of the show right here. Crickets. So we are waiting for our friends Tim and Christine from Ocko Microfarm, who will be joining us with some cricket making Khmer style. So stick around and check it out. The big question is, who will eat the crickets? I'm sure Christine and Tim will because they're adventurous. I'm sure Sophia will because she likes them. But these guys are huge, giant fucking beasts. And as I've been saying, they actually look like they've had mothers and fathers and stories to tell. So I don't know if I'm going to have the stomach to eat one of these guys. We'll find out soon. Let's see. Hey everybody, so Tim and Christine are here from Ocko Microfarms. That's our dog Jax. And the star of the show here, Sophea, who is going to be cooking up some, these are grasshoppers, not crickets, for the sake of clarity. And so it's actually, I guess, she's already cleaned them and she's already done some prep work. So go ahead, Sophia.
We put the salt a little bit in jongrat.
So that's what they call chicken powder, but I think it's actually like
salt.
Bouillon. Chicken bouillon is what that is.
Oh, bouillon, okay. So it's raw, salt broth.
And then we put the sugar a little bit.
Is that's sugar? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Just a little bit. So now we can go with it. To make it.
And this is the lemongrass.
We put a lemongrass a little bit.
Yeah.
Yes, just a little bit.
Well, that certainly is a smell.
Yeah. Trying to think of what it smells like.
I don't know.
Just a juicy.
So for those of you turning out tuning in late, this is crickets or grasshoppers. My style.
Yes.
Oh
Smells like
yeah.
sauteed mushrooms, wild mushrooms.
And that interesting odor we are getting, thanks to Tim and Christine, we have identified the smell as mushrooms. And I don't like mushrooms, so anyway. So the crickets or the grasshoppers cost about $6, $7 at the Khmer market in Lowell.
So we tag it.
All right.
Wait, that's that.
Okay, so they're testing the grasshoppers to see if they're ready yet, or ready for the next stage. Oh, she just pulled that right apart and ate it. Sure. How is it? I'm gonna grab one for Tim to try.
Yeah.
Are you adding more stuff to it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to try it? Yeah.
You can try the different varieties. The
I know.
we got to save one for our upstairs neighbor who wants to try. She gave me with some blueberry crumble she made from scratch from Maine blueberries she cooked in Maine. And I said, oh, I don't have anything. Oh, we have crickets. She's like, oh yeah. I'm like, you want me to bring you a cricket? She goes, yep. Okay. You get a cricket. Oh, yeah, okay, I was gonna say, let's careful with the oil.
How's the camera? Are you guys want to try before we fry?
Oh, so you're gonna add those and cook them again.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cool. Yeah, yeah. Go for it. I'm not going to, but the bold and adventurous ones.
Oh, I get it.
What a flavor comparison.
A little gassy, a little
Buggy.
No buggy.
But not like
To be expected, I suppose.
insect. I shouldn't say buggy.
Would you call it like earthy? Like, would you compare it to mushrooms also? Like,
It's like earthy and a little bit of matcha tea flavor.
oh.
I don't know. I don't get that.
I got it. A little grassy.
Well,
Like
she
what
did. She did already put some things in there for flavoring, so that could be what it is.
Yeah, it tastes like what they eat.
Oh yeah, we had termites, and they tasted like the tree they were eating.
Oh,
Wow.
I wonder if they get them to eat different trees just for the flavoring.
That was in Trinidad.
Do you want to put this one back on too, babe?
Yeah.
Trinidad's always grabbing the glory from Tobago.
So now we put sugar again and so much, not a little bit. Are you guys, you like salty or not too much?
Not too much
Not
salt.
too much. Okay.
Somewhere in Southeast Asia, there are people laughing their ass off that people in America are buying these things for $7 for, you know, whatever amount this is. They're like, they literally are on the ground.
Yeah, you can just pick up. You can put them here too, and big ones.
So we are all doing videos, but the chilies hit the oil, and we just made like a what's it called, choking hazard in here or something, because we just had to open up the door and fan. So anyway, back to the.
And how do you want it? Do you want like kind of back, or do you want more close up of the pan?
Close.
Okay.
Should have brought my camera. Get a whole setup.
Yeah. Oh, did you really? Oh, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
making videos again soon. I have a few ideas.
Yeah, you have a, yeah. It's and that's you already have that built in like
Yeah.
on YouTube. Here come the crickets or grasshoppers.
Sorry, wait, let me start.
So Sophia is doing a video for her page also. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Okay, stop.
Are you doing this garage without the pan knowing? Which I don't.
How is it?
My next video is going to be cold targets.
Chinang?
This
Like,
is
what do
good.
Good.
But
Yeah.
the smell like mushroom. I think you don't.
Yeah. It does. Oh, and I'm guessing those the chives must be like kind of a garnish on top or something.
I think you need to hide the grapes or something.
So we were at the Khmer market in Cambodia,
Yeah, if I'd have known they were those grapes, I'd bought a whole
and
bunch.
they had these grapes, bags of grapes for $1, which is a really good deal. But and it just says regular red grapes on them, but it turns out they're like the cotton candy grapes. Oh wait, hold on.
I want you to try.
Yes.
Jesus Christ! Oh my goodness!
It's not that bad. It's really not. It's just like fruit.
Why? That's strong.
You just eat it.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
pretend it's
Yeah.
a French fry.
But look at this thing. He had a life in a cricket family back at home.
This is your ancestral heritage. You have to eat it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Oh, good lord.
This is the Homo erectus diet.
Okay, so it's not about the taste. Okay, it's not about the taste. It's about the texture and the fact that you can feel the legs
And the wing.
and the wings. That's what it's about. That's what's freaky. Okay, hold on. Oof. Ugh.
Big one, you get the little one.
If
All right, cheers, guys.
salt more is okay. I will put.
Oh,
That's really good. It doesn't need more salt.
perfect.
What
Yeah.
about you?
No, I like it.
All right, so we have a semi-consensus. And again, the taste is fine. Mild. But man, that is a hard texture to get down, and I am definitely not going to be eating more of those.
Well, it's like eating mushrooms. Because what is they're made out of chitin, right? Exoskeleton. So it's just like digesting a mushroom.
Oh, is that? Yeah?
Yep. Same chemical for the cell walls.
Huh. Try telling that to my stomach right now.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's probably why I don't like them, because they're related to mushrooms.
Crickets are,
Well,
I mean,
no, they're
the material
Yeah.
of that.
biochemically.
Yeah, obviously they're different kingdoms. I'll check
Sure,
after.
that's not like.
Okay.
We can try.
There. That might be-
All right, so we're plating up the chongrat. These are much, much bigger than the ones they had in Thailand.
Okay. Done.
All done. And I will not be eating any more because my stomach is not enjoying the last round.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out if Tim was raised in a huge family or by wolves.
I was raised by wolves.
By a huge family of wolves.
Badly.
Obviously, help yourselves, guys. But I, like I said, I will not be partaking. When I was talking about doing this video, I was like, I was telling her we should do a video, and she's like, for her audience, they're like, they've seen crickets before, you know, it's no big deal. I'm like, maybe make it and then show us reacting to it, like eating it. And I'm like, you guys are fine, but.
It's the bouillon, the spices.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's savory, grassy, earthy. There's something else in there though. I'm trying to figure out what that flavor is.
Cat has.
I already ate. I'm not eating another one. My stomach is not enjoying the results. We got to save some for a couple for Janet.
Do you use this spice? Do you know it?
No, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah.
Nutmeg.
It's Caribbean, so I didn't know. Some of the Caribbean spices are in Southeast Asia. We have a lot of it at home, so we were just wondering.
All right, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video of watching her make crickets, grasshoppers, and yeah. So that was a thing. I guess try it if you want, but just be careful because it's textury. So thanks for watching and bye.